Hey there, science fans! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we explore the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of edge computing. This revolutionary technology is transforming the way we handle and process data. It's changing how we use data, making it more efficient and accessible. Imagine having the power of a massive data center right at your fingertips. It's like bringing the power of the cloud closer to where we live and work. This means faster processing times and more immediate results. Imagine this. Your self-driving car needs to make a split-second decision. Whether it's avoiding an obstacle or navigating through traffic, every millisecond counts. It needs to process data from its sensors super fast. Traditional methods would send this data to a distant data center, causing delays. That's where edge computing comes in. By processing data locally, right there in the car, it ensures that decisions are made in real time. Instead of sending all that data to a faraway data center, it's processed right there in the car. This reduces latency and improves performance. Edge computing is all about processing data closer to where it's generated. This is especially crucial for applications that require immediate feedback. This means faster insights, better performance, and a more responsive experience for everyone. From smart homes to industrial automation, the possibilities are endless. In a world swimming in data, edge computing is like a life raft, helping us stay afloat and make sense of it all. It's the future of data processing, bringing efficiency and speed to our everyday lives. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're creating more data than ever before. Every second, our digital universe expands at an unprecedented rate, driven by the insatiable demand for information and connectivity. By 2024, experts predict a whopping 157 zettabytes of data. To put that into perspective, that's more data than all the grains of sand on every beach in the world combined. That's a 157 with 21 zeros after it. Imagine trying to count that high. It would take you millions of years. This data explosion is fueled by the rise of the Internet of Things, or IoT. Every device, from your smartphone to your refrigerator, is now a data generator. Think smart homes, connected cars, and wearable devices. These gadgets are constantly communicating, sharing information, and making our lives more convenient. All these devices generate massive amounts of data. From tracking your fitness to managing your home security, the data keeps flowing. Traditional data centers are struggling to keep up with this data deluge. The sheer volume is overwhelming, leading to bottlenecks and inefficiencies. That's why edge computing is so important. By processing data closer to where it's generated, we can reduce latency and improve performance. It takes the pressure off those central hubs and processes data closer to the source. This means faster response times and more efficient data handling. Get ready for a future where data flows freely and insights are generated in the blink of an eye. The possibilities are endless, and the impact on our daily lives will be profound. Edge computing isn't just about handling massive amounts of data. It's a revolutionary approach that brings computation and data storage closer to the location where it is needed, to improve response times and save bandwidth. It's also about making our lives easier, faster, and more secure. Imagine accessing your favorite apps with zero lag, or having your smart home devices respond instantly to your commands. Let's break down the key benefits. Speed, efficiency, and security are just the tip of the iceberg. Edge computing is transforming the way we interact with technology on a daily basis. Real-time processing. Remember that self-driving car? Edge computing allows for lightning-fast data processing, which is crucial for applications that demand instant responses. This means safer and more reliable autonomous vehicles that can make split-second decisions. Bandwidth optimization. Instead of sending all that data to the cloud, edge computing processes it locally, reducing the strain on our networks and saving precious bandwidth. This is especially important in areas with limited connectivity or high data costs. Enhanced security. Keeping sensitive data closer to its source enhances privacy and security. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your data. By minimizing the distance data travels, we reduce the risk of interception and unauthorized access. These benefits make edge computing a game changer for various industries, from healthcare to manufacturing. In healthcare, it enables real-time patient monitoring and faster diagnostics. In manufacturing, it supports predictive maintenance and efficient production processes. Real-time processing is the name of the game in many applications today. Think about surgeons performing remote surgeries or autonomous robots working in hazardous environments. Every millisecond counts. Edge computing empowers these applications by providing instant insights. Imagine a doctor monitoring a patient's vital signs remotely. With edge computing, they receive real-time data, allowing them to react quickly to any changes. This real-time responsiveness is revolutionizing industries, making processes faster, safer, and more efficient. Section 5. Bandwidth optimization. Less is more. We love our streaming services and online games, but all that data can clog up the internet superhighway. Edge computing helps us avoid digital traffic jams by processing data closer to the source. Think of it like this. Instead of sending all your holiday photos to your grandma's house one by one, you create a digital photo album and share the link. She gets to see your photos and you don't overload the internet with massive files. By reducing the amount of data traveling long distances, edge computing optimizes bandwidth usage, making our internet experience faster and more enjoyable. Section 6. Enhanced security, protecting data at its source. Data security is more important than ever in our interconnected world. Edge computing offers a unique advantage by keeping sensitive data closer to its source and away from potential threats. Imagine a factory using edge computing to monitor its equipment. The data never leaves the premises, reducing the risk of cyber attacks and data breaches. This localized approach to data security is particularly crucial for industries dealing with sensitive information, such as healthcare, finance, and government. Section 7. Industry applications. Edge computing in action. Edge computing is like a Swiss Army knife, useful for a wide range of industries. Let's explore some real-world examples. Healthcare. Remote patient monitoring, personalized medicine, and faster diagnosis. Transportation, self-driving cars, traffic management systems, and enhanced logistics. Retail, personalized shopping experiences, inventory management, and targeted advertising. These are just a few examples of how edge computing is transforming industries, making them more efficient, responsive, and future-proof. Section 8. Future trends, AI, 5G, and the evolving edge. The future of edge computing is bright, fueled by exciting technological advancements. Artificial intelligence. Imagine edge devices that can learn and make decisions on their own, thanks to AI. This will revolutionize industries from healthcare to manufacturing. 5G networks. The rollout of 5G will supercharge edge computing, providing even faster speeds and lower latency, making real-time applications even more responsive. The possibilities are endless as edge computing continues to evolve, shaping a future where data is processed at the speed of thought, unlocking new possibilities and innovations.